Starting January 1st, the Hall County Tax Accessor's office is altering the way it assigns 2011 tax values for properties purchased in 2010. Don Elrod, interim chief appraiser, says this is all part of Senate Bill 346.
It affects sending out notices to taxpayers. It affects how properties are valued that are sold under foreclosure.
Meaning if you bought a home in Hall County in 2010 and paid less than what it was appraised for, your tax value will be set at that amount you spent and not at the amount of the appraisal.
If our taxable value on that property is $400,000, but the bank sells it for $150,000, then for tax year 2011, we must tax you at that $150,000 value.
However, if a home buyer paid more than what the property was appraised for, the tax value will still be set at the lower amount.
If our taxable value is $150,000, that's the most that we can tax them at. We cannot raise the values because of the frozen values from the moratorium.
Something else that is changing is who receives a copy of their property tax value. Starting in 2011, every property owner will receive a notice stating their property tax value.
In the past, you only got a notice if your value changed or there was a change in ownership. Instead of sending out around 18 to 20,000 notices, we'll now be sending out over 76,000 notices every year.
Elrod predicts that will cost the county between $50,000 and $60,000. He says the notices will be mailed between mid-May and early June. In Gainesville, Chip Scarborough, WNEG News, Northeast Georgia.